It's me, Felicity, back with another video. Today, my mom sort of bought me a prize / I don't deserve it. So, I'm lucky. Wait, let me check my phone. Don't care. Okay. So, I'm going to use my superpowers to take off this plastic, okay? There. Easy. Then, ow, that hurts. This stuff is pokey. Okay, and on the side it says, "Hey sis." So, and there's 20 surprises. And there's 4 to collect. I've got her and her already. The one in this box is her, class prez, and then I got the boss. I got her. Don't know where she is, but okay, the grand reveal. She pretty?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And it says right here, "I'm a fashion doll." Of course you are. Duh. Dang, she looking dang. It says, "Strut your stuff." Okay. Dressing room sale. Okay, I don't care. We're gonna open. Oh, it says, "Dress me." See, it says, "Dress me." Then
How much did your mama get that for you?
$5.
Don't ask how we pulled that one off.
Oh, I got good news to tell you guys. May I tell them?
I guess.
Whippy! Yes! My mom's the best. My mom's the best. Well, our first good news is we're moving to Florida. I mean, I've seen bags like this, but like I've never actually seen one for a doll. Hey, actually closes too, but can't really get it. Why is this so small? But like, Never. Hi. Okay. I'll just say right there, crazy. That doll is crazy. Don't care. You know, you can turn this into a seat. Crazy. Because look, I'll show you. I'll show you. Ow. Could told me you were gonna hurt me. Gosh. So, I'm gonna show you how to turn it into a seat. Okay? Okay. So, you know these two, you need this. If it don't come with it, then too bad. You take, sorry, I'm a little mess. I'm tired, and I have school tomorrow too. And I won't like Friday because I have technology. Great. And my little puppy ain't doing so well, aren't you, baby? Yeah, she ain't feeling so well because the vet just came over. Well, didn't come just over, but like hours and hours ago, a vet came over, so, and clipped her nails and gave her shots, and now she don't feel good. She's not even well enough to play. But she's resting. She can rest. Why ain't this going in? Well, what you want to do is take this end, not that end, and put it in that hole right there. I will do this until I'm 100 years old. There, finally. Then you'll want to take this, put it on the opposite side, because if you want your doll to sit down, you want room for them, because how they won't be able to really sit like that. So you'll want to do it like this. Be careful. If a little child puts their finger right there, it could really get hurt. And you don't want like that happening. See? It's a seat. And I'll show you. And these dolls can actually bend their knees. Ain't working. See? A seat. But anyways, moving on. I didn't open her brush. That ain't good. And then this is for them to help them stand up. There's her brush. Garbage. Garbage. Not garbage. Well, gonna be garbage, but. I feel bad for the turtles. Poor things. Save the turtles. Because they're endangered. Soon we won't have turtles. This world is just going bad. I tell you. Ow, ow, ow. Hey, wasn't too hard to pull out. Okay. Time for her clothes. Let's just flip that and flip that. Okay. Okay. I like how they actually did that. It's really cute. But like one thing is like it's super hard to open, and I like to save these for my dolls to play with them, like dress up and stuff, because I'm still a little girl, of course. There we go. Ooh, pretty. Well, just look at that. So gorgeous. But now how am I going to get it on? You're hard. Well, there's that. I like this background. Very pretty. Time for the next one. Oh, these are so hard to open. Why? Come off of it. There we go. Oh, when we move down to Florida, I might be getting a ferret or hamster, maybe, possibly, but
Probably not.
Probably not, but mostly likely, because you know me, I have high spirits. And this is the cute little skirty that goes with Daddy, and then her own magazine. So unfair. If you feel like
Let me see.
No, it's fine. I'll just get it. That doesn't add up. Then it's a sign you need a break, BB. December 22, January 20th. What's your star sign? Fashion BB magazine, fall of 20. Ooh, for her shoes. my gosh. Is that all that comes with it? Where's like all her accessories and stuff? These are her shoes. And this little shoe box. Ooh. These are like so cute. We'll want to keep those in there.
You're moving too fast.
Ow. That hurt. I think these are the accessories. I'm not sure. You want to be very careful because some of them can be very, very tiny. And it comes with a phone and a purse, so I really want to be very careful with those. See? That. And I think this cute, adorable Apple phone can go in it. Like that. It says teal pink on it. I'll choose pink. But you can also take it out if you so want to. But I would keep it in there because a little kid possibly could get into it. So, yeah. Oh, these glasses are magnifique. I could die for them. There we go. Then these hoops. Beautiful hoops. No, don't fit. Hey. Cute ring. And then another hoop. Okay, time to dress her up. Up, 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 up. Why does she have two purses? I'm actually going to take her phone out and put it in her bag. Her bag. Some people say bag, some people say bag. Weird. Can put that right in there. Right in there. Right in there. There we go. So cute. But then this could be like used as a phone. Or she could sneak into class and just say, it's just a bag. So yeah. Time to dress her up. Okay. I hate putting on jackets. They're so hard. Okay. And I'm going to show you my other LOL OMG Big Sisters. Just I got to do this. I like to take off their hand and then put it back on because it's just easier. Okay. Now we can put it back on. And whoa, boomy. And coming in. There. Beautiful. Is she crying? You okay? No. Yeah. What I thought. Here. Oh, that needs to go in the garbage pile. Don't know how I'm gonna do this. I make them too small. Let me make them a medium. Make their dolls a medium too. How do people do it? Seriously, go rip it. Go rip it. And my grandma can't sew that tiny. So, oh, finally. After a thousand years. Let's pop that hand back in. 1, 2. There. Beautiful. Don't look exactly like the picture, but it's not always gonna look exactly the like. And these little hangers I do like to keep, but I barely ever use them because I keep my clothes on my dolls. Okay, ready for your new clothes? Beautiful. Looks like you're in cheerleading. You know what? They should make a LOL OMG Big Sister, but a cheerleader. They should do that, yeah. Time for the hoops. These are very huge. Huger than, I've had a doll with hoops, but not as huge as these. Like, seriously, not as huge. Beautiful. Girl. Let's put on her glasses. Oh, I love this. You know, on LOLs, like normal LOLs, they have like those little things so you can put like sunglasses on them, like those little holes, so they actually stay. But on LOL OMG Big Sisters, they don't. Excuse me. Time for her backpack. Come on, turn the radio on. Friday night, I won't be late. Hit the dance floor, hit the dance floor. Friday night and I won't be late. There. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Then this will just be her extra bag. See? Gorgeous. Then her boots. They're not really boots, but look like boots. These are hard because her socks. It's impossible. Uh-oh. Might have broke a joint. Don't look too bad. I like it. I like it. I love it. You know I like it. Oh, come and get your love. I don't want to go to school tomorrow. And when we get to Florida, I only have 3 days off. Not fair. I'll be brand new to school. Why is moving so hard? Just why? Come and get your love. Dun, 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 dun. Come and get your love. Come and get your love. Oh, this is so hard. I don't like when they put socks on dolls, because then it's impossible to put their dumb shoes on. Gosh. Now it's all Scroogerly.
It doesn't have to be perfect.
Yes, it does. There. Perfect. Finally. After 1,000 years. Gotta fix her bag again. Yay. And that's it for today. Next, you might see us after the movie and see what we saw.